Peter, you have a price target here that was lowered, 325 from 350. You still have CrowdStrike as an outperform, but you've added it to your tactical underperform list. Explain how investors are supposed to read that guidance.
Sure. So I think it's more, our call is that it's a tactical call into the quarter. So directionally, given the uncertainty with CrowdStrike, trying to understand what the numbers look like over the next, call it 12 to 18 months, we're taking a stance that we think there's a better risk reward opportunity after hearing the company and depending on what they give us in terms of numbers.
Okay, well, how important is the earnings report itself that indicates what happened in the quarter? And how would you compare that report to the importance of the earnings call and what gets said in answer to analyst questions?
Sure. Well, yeah, I contest, I think you said it earlier, this would be the first time we hear publicly from management. So I don't think Q2 is much of a concern, right? The incident was 5-6 days until the quarter ended. It's really more so the second half and next year. It's going to be, they have 30,000 customers. They got 600 plus customers paying $1 million more. Management's going to have to go and make sure that, how are they going to, I guess what I'm trying to say is there's going to be price concessions, and it's going to take time to work that through and understand how customers are behaving. From our work leading into the prints, it sounds like customers are a bit upset. We're not taking the stance that customers are leaving, but we're taking the stance that there will be price concessions. I don't cover SentinelOne, but they reported last night, and they are a direct competitor. And commentary from management made it seem that there are customers that are in their pipeline coming from CrowdStrike. So it would be an indication that perhaps there's still influx.
I also will say that when we saw outages at, say, MGM Resorts, a company that I cover, last year with a cyber intrusion, what we heard on the earnings call was what their expectation was for insurance kicking in and covering some of the business disruption that happened. And we may get some of that color. Have you been able to determine how much of this lands at CrowdStrike's feet and how much of this may get picked up by their policies?
Sounds like it's mostly going to be on the policy side. So it sounds like CrowdStrike is going to be protected for the most part. There will be payouts for sure, Delta, and there will be one-off cases. But for the most part, a lot of customers were back and running within 24 hours. A lot of these cyber insurance policies have a 12 to 24-hour outage period. So from that point, CrowdStrike is protected.
What's the biggest thing that CrowdStrike could say in the earnings call that will boost investor enthusiasm for the stock itself?
Oh, wow. That there wasn't any real financial impact. You're not going to see a hit to margins, cash flow. The trajectory in terms of cash flow generation is not going to get impacted. But I doubt that will be the color that they provide us.
What's your prediction?
The big metric that folks are going to be looking for, investors, it's going to be ARR, net new ARR growth, and then any incremental color that they can provide in terms of, calendar 25, their fiscal 26 year is just trying to kind of call it de-risk the numbers as much as I think they possibly can. But I still think it's a little too early to predict the behavior of all these customers, this early on.